My experience for the past 4 years in Riphah has been an amazing journey. The faculty in Riphah has been very nice to us. The teachers, we have learned so much of stuff. We have learned so much new things in Riphah. And other than that, I have made such nice friends. They are just like a family to me.
The education standard, the labs, the faculty and all the facilities, all are just flawless.
Riphah International University. It's known by its education and exploring the skill out of students.
Today's open house went really well. The students of electrical and biomedical engineering students were given the opportunity to showcase their final year projects. The unique feature about today's event was job fair, where students were recruited as well. So it went really well.
I'm privileged to be a part of FIP team that has organized the Open House 2018.
Today, students are showcasing their projects, what they have learned throughout their 4 years degree program.
Riphah has been really selective about the faculty members involved in this provision of final year projects, and the faculty members are very dedicated and motivated toward designing of the final year projects, and that is why our final year projects are quite up to the mark of the industrial requirement.
It has been an amazing journey, and I must tell you that you must join Riphah, and it's an amazing platform to show your talent.